Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susan with Essentially Empowered with Susan. Today I'm going to talk about a really easy DIY for helping with deodorizing your carpet or your trash can. So what I do, I like to upcycle my materials. So like the oil bottles, I reuse them, I don't throw them away, and I make things out of them. So what I have here is something I got from Trader Joe's, and it's a seasoning. So when I used up the seasoning, I soaked it in water and a little lemon oil, and I left it on the counter for a few days. And then, you rinse it out and you don't smell the previous seasoning in there. So this is a pretty big bottle, and it's a shaker. So you can see that there's holes in it. So what I like to do with this is my carpet deodorizer or my trash can deodorizer. So what I did was I filled up this whole thing with baking soda, and the oil I chose to use is called Purify. It looks like this. This is the cleansing blend. It has a very fresh smell to it. It has lime, Siberian fir, Austrian fir, pine, citronella, tea tree, and cilantro. So this, and hearing the oils, is definitely a cleaning, oil. It also could be, when I see citronella and tea tree, I think of bug repellent too. But for the purpose of today's show, I wanted to talk about it for cleansing. So Purify, I have my handy little Modern Essentials book here. So what does Purify do besides smell fresh? You can use it for diffusing, like for cleaning your air. You can also, for mildew, so you can add 25 drops to a 1/4 cup of water to a small bottle and spray to neutralize mildew. You can use it as deodorant, 5 drops to 1 tablespoon of water in a small bottle. So you can spritz it under your armpits, or you can put it in your trash can. And it's just a great way, again, to another option for cleaning. So when I vacuum, I'll sprinkle this onto the carpet and leave it on for maybe 15 minutes, and then I vacuum, and it's just a nice fresh smell, and I know what's in it. I don't have to worry about what chemicals are in there. But my other trick that I do is I take some, like for the trash can, I take I have these brown papers that I get from packaging when I order things, and I reuse it. So I put it at the bottom of my trash can. I shake maybe 2 shakes of this, and then I put my trash bag over it. So what happens is, if the trash bag has a hole in it, then things leak out. At least I have this deodorizer at the bottom of the trash can to, so that it doesn't stink up the trash more. So I found that really helpful. And what I do when I add the oil, so what I do is I kind of fill it a little bit halfway. Then I'll put like 2 or 3 drops of Purify. I'll take a toothpick and I'll mix it up. Then I add the rest of the baking soda to the shaker, then add like 2 more drops of Purify, and I just stir it up again. And you can smell it in there for sure. And then I just put like a little label on there. So it reminded me to do this because I did this last night, because today's trash day for us. So I wanted to have some, I ran out of this deodorizer, so I made some more last night, and it's super easy. It only takes a few minutes to do, and this is going to last a little bit. It depends on, again, how often you use it, which, if you're using it weekly, it probably could run out really fast, but baking soda is so cost effective, and it's such a clean thing to use for cleaning. I hope you guys can make that, or if you want to do something like that. You can also use other oils like tea tree. You can add lavender, really whatever you like. I just like the Purify because I like the cleaning oils that are in the blend. And just a nice smell, again, to have like a refreshing, if we want to replace toxic things at home and we don't want to use Febreze or the other, products that have who knows what in it, so that when we have our kids sprinkle it and stuff, it won't, affect our breathing and our respiratory. And so I'm thankful to have these solutions at hand. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something, and put in the comments if you have questions or how you use things or how you upcycle things. Okay, thank you.